friends, welcome to our channel Shreya and Shraddha's World. Today I am making water dispenser. For this we required 9 by 9 cardboard, 22 by 8 2 cardboards and 22 by 9 2 cardboards. At first we stick 22 by 9 cardboard on 9 by 9 cardboard and 22 by 8 this side and 22 by 8 this side, and we paste 8 by 8 cardboard here. Now we take this bottle and we insert straw by making hole. So here we have inserted the straw. Here we make the hole. Here we insert the bottle. Now we fill the bottle. When the cap of bottle is closed, the water is not flowing. You can see here cap is closed and water is not flowing. Now we open the cap. You see water is flowing. This is happening because of air pressure. Thank you.